Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to export analytics widgets into a Withthegrid platform. So if you have created your own analytics widget in the analytics dashboard, then you can also export the bar chart or the line chart or whatever widget you have created. And previously we have shown that it's possible to download some widgets as PNG, but it wasn't possible to download, for example, tables or map widgets. So right now there is a new option and you can actually export a widget query. So you can export the source data. So we can click to export and we can set some settings and we can request an export. This will move us to the data export a dashboard where we can see all our previous exports. We can also create exports from different data sources. But right now we are trying to export a widget. So here we can also select which dashboard we would like to select a widget from and how we would like to export it. And when the export is done, we can just reload this and we can download the source data as a CSV file, which is going to look something like this. And this is actually just exports the query with all the columns that we have had in our analytics dashboard search.